If you're a landlord or renter in Alabama, it's important to know your rights. In this video, we'll cover the basics of Alabama rental laws surrounding lease agreements, evictions, and more. Before we get started, hit that subscribe button for more videos on navigating everyday legal matters. First things first, when you're looking to rent a property, you'll need to decide which type of agreement is best for you. Standard lease agreement. A standard lease contains all of the terms and conditions agreed upon between a landlord and a tenant. The most common type of lease agreement, standard lease agreements, usually have a 1-year fixed period. There's also a month-to-month lease. Month-to-month leases, also called at-will tenancies, are a shorter term option. Instead of binding the parties for a 1-year contract, a month-to-month lease renews automatically every 30 days, and either party can terminate it with 30 days notice. Required disclosures. There are some requirements under Alabama law about what should be included in a rental agreement. For all housing structures built prior to 1978, a lead-based paint disclosure is required. And all agreements must include an owner-manager identification that names the person in charge of maintaining the premises. Landlord access. If the landlord needs to enter the property for repairs, showings, or any other non-emergency purpose, they are required to give 2 days' notice to the tenant. Security deposit laws. Many lease agreements include a security deposit, which a tenant puts down as collateral and collects upon termination of the contract if no damages are recorded. Under Alabama law, the security deposit cannot exceed the equivalent of 1 month's rent and must be returned within 60 days after the lease ends. Finally, let's touch on Alabama's eviction laws. There are 3 legally valid reasons to evict a tenant in Alabama, and each comes with its own set of rules and processes. If the tenant is delinquent on rent, the landlord may issue a 7-day notice to quit, which gives the tenant 7 days to either pay the amount owed or vacate the property. If the tenant is in breach of the rental contract, a 7-day notice to quit can be issued requiring them to correct the issue or move out within 7 days. Finally, a 30-day notice to quit initiates the end of a month-to-month tenancy. eForms has tons of resources on rental and eviction laws in Alabama, so be sure to check out the description for links and fillable forms. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more videos from the #1 source for legal documents.